Bonjour, my hungry friends. So, you're planning a trip to France? Forget the Eiffel Tower for a second. Today we're talking about what really matters, the food. Stick around as I take you through 10 French dishes you must try before you leave, or risk eternal regret. Let's dive in. 1. Croissant. Flaky, buttery, and dangerously addictive. French people don't just eat croissants, they masterpiece them. Right finger fun fact: in France, if your croissant isn't golden and crisp, you're legally allowed to be offended. Okay, not really, but you should be. 2. Wine cut of meat bœuf bourguignon. This is beef stewed in red wine until it's so tender it basically melts on your fork. Right finger fun fact: the French don't rush this dish. It cooks for hours, which is probably why they're so patient in life. 3. Eggplant tomato ratatouille. Veggies never look this good. A colorful mix of eggplant, zucchini, tomatoes, and herbs, ratatouille is proof that French people can make even vegetables taste exciting. Right finger fun fact: yes, this is the dish from the Pixar movie, though sadly, your serving will not come with a talking rat chef. 4. Chicken leg wine coq au vin. Chicken braised in red wine, garlic, and mushrooms. It sounds fancy, but it's French comfort food at its finest. Right finger fun fact: coq means rooster. Originally, this dish helped tenderize tough old birds. So, next time you eat it, thank the French for turning chewy into yum. 5. Snail escargots de Bourgogne. Snails swimming in garlic butter. Yes, snails. Before you say, non merci, remember, anything drenched in butter can't be that bad. Right finger fun fact: the French eat over 500 million snails a year. That's a lot of slimy fine dining. 6. Pie quiche Lorraine, a savory tart loaded with bacon, cream, and cheese. Basically, it's a fancy French excuse to eat pie for breakfast. Right finger fun fact: real French people do not add cheese to their quiche Lorraine. But tourists? We do whatever we want. 7. Fish stew bouillabaisse, a rich fish stew from Marseille that's like the ocean hugged you. Right finger fun fact: traditional bouillabaisse must include at least 3 types of fish. If you only find 2, politely panic. 8. Pancakes crepes. Paper-thin pancakes you can stuff with anything: chocolate, bananas, ham, cheese, or your wildest French food dreams. Right finger fun fact: in France, crepes are street food royalty. The best ones? Made in tiny stalls, folded in half, and eaten while you walk. 9. Stew cassoulet. White beans, sausages, and duck all slow cooked into a warm, bubbling pot of happiness. Right finger fun fact: there's actually a centuries-old war between French towns over who makes the best cassoulet. Yes. A bean war. 10. Candy macaroons. These colorful little sandwich cookies are crispy outside, soft inside, and basically edible jewelry. Right finger fun fact: macaroons are so delicate, some people fly to Paris just to eat them fresh. That's what I call sweet commitment.